everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how you can log in into the Rockstar Social Club. Now to do that, first thing is open a Google browser in your PC and click open new tab. There on the search bar you type in www.socialclub.rockstargames.com and press enter. This will open the official web page of the Rockstar Game Social Club page. Here you need to go and click on sign in. Click on it. Now to sign in, you need to provide your email address and password for you to log in into the social club. Type in the details in the email address first, then below you type in the password. Once both the detail is done, you click on sign in. The forgot your password link is over here on the left side. This is for the process of recovering your account password. Just in case if you forgot the account password, you can click on this link to recover it, as Social Club will provide you with the further instruction for how you can recover them. So once the detail is done, click on sign in. While you provide details, you make sure that you provide the correct account credential. That is, you need to type in the correct email address and correct password that you have used to create during the account creation process at the very beginning. And just with that, you have been logged in into the account of yours. There's your profile over here on the top right. Hope this video was useful for how you can log in into the Rockstar Social Club. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.